Porto Mobility Ranger Quattro Ultra Exclusive Lightweight Foldable Electric Wheelchair Lightweight, Stronger Longer Range Super Horsepower Dual Motorized Folding Power Wheelchair, Silver, Standard. Horsepower. Two 300-watt brushless ultra-powerful motors performing to the most on all-terrain surfaces provide you with all the torque you could possibly need even on hills and inclines. Intelligent electromagnetic brake, electronic regenerative disc brake to ensure passenger safety. Also, the Quattro has a freewheel or neutral option allowing it to be used as a manual chair, so caregivers can opt to push it manually. Longest range, the dual lithium batteries provide lots of power for a longer time. You can travel up to an impressive 30 miles with the batteries on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about being stuck far from home. You could go to parks like Disney and ride around all day long, and still lots of battery left to go. Another great feature of the Quattro is that it uses smart power technology. When both batteries are in the chair, it will draw power from both batteries simultaneously. Excellent turning radius and the ability to go in all directions with the new Sensi Touch joystick. Not only can you drive your Quattro wheelchair with just one finger, you can also navigate your Quattro into tight spaces that require sensitive turning abilities. Easily goes through standard doorways. Comfortable, clean and convenient Ranger Quattro includes spacious under-the-seat storage, removable seat cushion and backrest, washable up to 95 and flip-up footrest for added comfort. Lightweight and compact design, the Ranger Quattro lightweight folding power wheelchair has a 193-seat, holds up to 400 lbs, airline and cruise approved, folds up in seconds, fits in most compact car trunks. The Quattro power wheelchair is uniquely in a class of its own. Both arms fold up, the controller comes off, the Quattro is easy to control, manage and use. Includes a